Look closely, this is not just flexing, this is complete muscular control. His name is Altharan. Every fiber you see right now is contracting, tightening, and coming alive. Watch the shoulders, the deltoid scap, the frame, front, side, and rear heads all contract together, creating that round 3D look. When flexed properly, they look like armor plating, full and separated. This is where size really shows. The triceps expand outward, especially the long head, giving that deep horseshoe shape. Now focus on the chest. As it flexes, the pecs tighten inward, showing deep striation. You can see the inner chest line forming, while the outer chest stays thick and full. This is what gives that powerful carved look, density plus control. Here comes the core. Each abdominal block contracts individually, forming that sharp six pack definition. The deeper the flex, the more the line cut in, showing separation and dryness. It is not just about being lean, it is about controlling every segment. This is not just muscle, this is precision, discipline, and control built over time. Every flex tells a story, and every detail shows the work behind it.